Woo! Bafu inanyororoka. Bafu inateleza. Here you go. Ta-da! That's my tripod stand. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very happy. I am excited for the 40-something subscribers who thought I was interesting enough for them to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. I am so grateful. I appreciate the support. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you are loyal. Thank you. I love you guys so much. I'm going to wash my hair at home. I am going to show you the very simple products that I use on my hair. As you can see, my hair is super thick. It's super thick and it's just amazing. I love my hair. But here's a funny story. I had shaved my hair some time back, and then I thought I looked weird with my long face and big eyes. So I am back to doing my hair, and I use very simple products. Sometimes I make the products by myself, especially the rosemary, especially the rosemary oil. I normally make it at home. I am going to show you how I do that. It is great and it helps in hair growth. I use the Cosmo Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. It is free from sulfates and parabens. That is the most important thing yenye huwa naangalia kwa products zangu. I also use avocado oil. I use avocado oil to make sure that my hair is, of course, moisturized. And also, I had forgotten this. This is the deep penetrating treatment with shea butter and honey. So for now, let us go to the shower. Yeah, a warm shower. Let's wash this hair, treat the hair, kisha tunaweka twist out or bantu knots, alafu tunaendelea kukaa home. Welcome to the shower, guys. Here is a basin with water that I'm going to use, and here is an empty basin. In case you are wondering how I am taking this video, ta-da! That's my tripod stand. Here's my shampoo and my detangling kichana. Here's my shampoo. We will start by watering the hair. The water is boiling. After washing my hair, I applied my TCB treatment on wet hair. I made sure that every part of the hair got some part of the product. I separated the hair with my hands and continued applying the treatment, as you can see. And then after you are done, scoop a good amount of the treatment, but of course that depends on the volume of your hair. Kama yako ni msitu, well, don't complain when you use much product like I did. After you're done applying your treatment, you take your silk bonnet, unafunga. And now we are going to leave this on for 30 minutes. So I'll be back after 30 minutes. This is 1 hour later. The product has really settled well in my hair. I'm going to wash off the treatment and then I'll be back doing the bantu knots. At this point, I had already washed off the treatment from my hair using warm water. So now I was separating my hair into 4 sections to make it more manageable. I wanted to put some bantu knots, and hence the 4 sections would make it easy for me to separate the hair. There are my 4 sections. This is the section that I will be starting with. So we have applied our oil, and that is it. I don't normally apply the oil every day. What happens on normal days, I usually go for the glycerin mixed with this is Jamaican coconut black castor oil hair food. This is it. This is the hair food that I normally use with my glycerin. Thank you guys, thank you so much for washing my hair with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you're going to share with your friends, with your sisters, with your everybody. Yeah, just share this video give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time.